Hemp Bombs CBD Gummies are a delicious and easy way to enjoy our premium CBD. They taste great and help promote relaxation and greater health and wellness. At Hemp Bombs, we offer 6 varieties of gummies to fit any lifestyle, like our original gummies, perfect for helping you unwind and optimize your well-being. Or high-potency gummies, with twice as much CBD to take your relaxation to the next level. Our sleep CBD gummies include melatonin to help you fall asleep, stay asleep, and wake up refreshed. Support your immune system with Immunity CBD Gummies featuring elderberry extract to help you feel your best. Vegan Botanical Gummies, formulated with a blend of natural botanicals, help relieve everyday stress and support quality sleep. And our vegan Boswellia Gummies combine CBD and Boswellia extract to support healthy joints and muscles. No matter which gummies you choose, they can all help promote better overall health and wellness and greater relaxation. Learn more about CBD gummies online at hempbombs.com.